We are pleased to show you the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, heated front seats, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.